Namaskar, welcome back to Math Circles. I am Radhika. In previous video we discussed the types of matrices, and in this video we are going to discuss the properties of matrices. Before we come to the property of matrices, I would like to tell you that we use algebra also in matrices. What is the algebra? Means we add, subtract, multiplication and the inverse. We apply operations in matrices, so there are some properties related to addition, related to subtraction and multiplication, and also the inverse. So let's come to the properties of matrices now. The first property, that is the commutative property, and we are doing it for addition first. So it follows the commutative property. And what is the commutative property? That is a plus b is equals to b plus a. It makes no difference अगर आप a को b में ऐड करो या b को a में ऐड करो. I think you have done it in the with the real numbers as well. That is, if you will do 2 plus 1 or you are doing 1 plus 2, it's gonna give you the same answer, right? And the same property follows in the matrices as well. That is, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Okay, and how we are gonna add, subtract, multiplication and the inverse we'll definitely study in the further tutorial videos. And what is the associative property? That is, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b and plus c, which implies if you are adding b plus c initially, then you are adding a, or you can do that a plus b first and then you can add c in it. It's gonna make no difference. You're gonna get the same answer from both the things. Okay, I guess the both properties are clear to you. Now we are coming to the identity. Identity is a very important property. It is also useful for the graduation students as well. You can understand this property and it's useful in algebra. Okay. So now what is the additive identity for addition? Sorry, it's additive identity only. So what is the additive identity in matrices? Additive identity means if you are adding any matrix, I'll take E. Identity, I'll take it as E. So if you are adding E either from the right or from the left, and you are getting the same matrix again, then this E is known as the identity matrix. Okay, this E is known as the identity matrix. And what will the matrix be? It's gonna be a null matrix, because we know कि 0 को आप किसी भी number में add करो, if you will add 0 to any number, you are gonna get the same number, right? So the same thing happens with the matrix. If you are gonna add the null matrix to any matrix, you are gonna get the same matrix at the point. I wanna explain this with example. That is, if I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I'm adding like this is your null matrix. This is gonna be your null matrix. You will get the same matrix. Okay. So the additive identity is null matrix. Now let's come to the the inverse, additive inverse. What is the additive inverse and how this property works? Additive inverse is, if you are taking a matrix A and you are adding some matrix, you are adding the inverse, or you can take any matrix, or I'll take M. Okay, I'll take M. If you are adding any matrix to M and you are getting the identity, if you are getting the identity by adding some matrix, then it is known as the inverse. M will be the inverse of A. And what is this E? This E is going to be the same as we discussed about the additive identity. This is your additive identity. Okay. सो m दैट विल बी अ इन्वर्स ऑफ, हम किसी भी नंबर में उस क्या नंबर ऐड करें कि हमें आइडेंटिटी मिले. एज एन इफ आई एम सेइंग कि हम 2 में क्या ऐड करें कि हमें आइडेंटिटी मिले और हमारी एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी 0, तो हम 2 में क्या नंबर ऐड करें कि हमको 0 मिले, दैट इज़ -2. सो एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ 2 इज़ -2. okay, I think the properties are clear for addition, right? And for subtraction I'm gonna tell you that it doesn't follow commutative, associative, identity or inverse anything. We are not gonna discuss about the subtraction because it does not follow the properties. Commutative we know कि आप 2 में से 3 को minus करो, you are subtracting 3 from 2 or 2 from 3, you are not gonna get the same answer, right? And it happens same in matrices as well. Okay, so we are directly coming to the multiplication. Now we are going to discuss the properties for multiplication, but the difference is we use distributive property for multiplication. Okay, so let's come to the properties of matrices for multiplication. The first is commutative. Commutative says that AB is not equals to BA. If you multiply A matrix with B and or if I'm multiplying B with A, this is not going to give you the same answer. Even at some cases you cannot even multiply if you are reversing the matrices. And I think that's clear. You can check my previous video for the multiplication that I've already told कि multiplication के लिए you need to see कि first का column and second का row equal होना चाहिए. And that's not gonna possible कि अगर A और B का same आकर if you are able to multiply it and उसके बाद अगर आप उसको reverse करो तो multiplication possible भी हो. Right? It can be possible in some cases but not in every case. You cannot generalize it that AB is equals to BA. Okay, so multiplication does not follow the property of commutative. Now next, the distributive property. The distributive property is AB plus C is equals to AB plus AC. It definitely follows the property of distributive and that we are very familiar with, I guess. We know, we does it in algebra as well. हम करते हैं उसमें एक variables and constant के साथ में, and it happens same with the matrices as well. That is AB is equals plus AC. The equations are equal. Okay. Now let's come to the identity. What is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity, that is, suppose I am taking E. Now we are talking about the multiplication. So you have to see कि हम what metric should we take to multiply with A so that either from the right side or from the left side, and you are gonna get the same matrix again. I am multiplying identity from the right and from the left as well, and if I am getting the same matrix A, then you can say the E is your identity matrix. And here your identity will be capital I that I told you, identity matrix itself, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. If you multiply identity matrix with any matrix, you can get the same matrix. So the multiplicative identity is itself an identity matrix. Okay, and now the inverse. The inverse property is, that is, A into A inverse is equals to A inverse to A is equals to I. Here what you need to find a matrix which you can multiply either from the right or from the left, and you are getting identity. And what is the identity for multiplication? This is the identity for multiplication. Don't get confusion here that if you are taking addition as an operation, you need to see what is the identity of operation. तो हम inverse में वही identity यहाँ पर लगाएंगे. And when you are talking about the multiplication, you will apply the multiplicative identity. If there are the different operations, तो उसके corresponding you will get the different identities. Okay. So you need to, the inverse property says if you will multiply either from the left or from the right, you are gonna get the identity, and we'll definitely find the learn how to find the inverse of the matrices. I hope the property of matrices are clear to you for addition as well as for the multiplication. Even if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment box, you can mail me, or you can DM me on Instagram. And if you did understand it, then also do let me know. So please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.
Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And for latest updates, click on the bell icon. Thank you.